Hey, beer. So here we are after some record rainfalls over the last couple of days. We got some standing water over here, and anybody that knows any of my videos of being down here at the river, oh, we should get the beer. But okay, farther down, the river has gone over the bank. What's today? June 24, 25 maybe? 24. So yeah, usually it's about a 10-foot drop down to the water line. And anybody that has seen my almost G-rated picnic video, there's the picnic table that we were sitting on. Way over there. Let's take a walk over that way. I gotta take a leak anyway. I'll add to it. I hear a cat. Meow. Look at this, eh? Look, this is nuts. One time in the summer, it has crested over here. But yeah, this is pretty wild. Pretty gnarly. And more rain is expected. At least it stopped for a day. So here you go. I'm at the beach. This big chunk is just ripped away from the shore. That's pretty fucking gnarly. Look at that. And away she goes. Where she stops, nobody knows. It won't hit Wasaga Beach, the largest freshwater beach in the world, because there's a huge log jam between here and there. That's amazing. What a huge tree. Look at that. Wow. The rainstorm of 17. Oh, there's an island there. Probably get stuck on that. Hopefully not. Wow. Hold on. Okay, well, that big tree is gone. Here is the path. Horsefly, get out of here. To the beach. So, I'm not even going to try and walk down there. Horsefly, get out of here. Where's our picnic table? There it is. Somewhere, there it is. So yeah, there'll be no partying at the beach today. Since it's flooded. Wow. Alright, rock on. My beer's almost empty. I have to go all the way over there. Because there's beer in the truck. Nice. And there's music. Alright. Ta-ta. Another big tree. A lot of water. Another big tree. Not like that big jam before. Oh, more. Yeah. Right on. Oh, look at this guy. Gotta take a drive down to the end. Might be overflowing there. The end of our property here. Woo! Woo! Well, I just come down the path and yeah, we're starting to flood here. This is just brand new. The water is rising. Go with the flow. Yeah. You gotta start building an ark. Might be too late. My goodness. Hey, firewood. Look at this firewood. That'll all float away if it keeps coming up. Yeah, here we go. Look out. Fucking mosquitoes. Get out of here. So let's see where it's coming up. Alright. Yeah. I'm glad I took a jaunt down here. Okay, that's that. And right here. This is one place where we like to camp. Sometimes. Yeah. She's just coming up right now. Look at that. Wow. Let's go and see what's happening. Huh. Someone needs to get the fucking weed whacker out. Ah, here we go. Okay, well, there's the river. And yeah, usually it's probably a 10-foot drop to get to the water from where I'm standing. Big tree. Another one. Lots of them. Wow. Log Jam City. Alrighty. Let's investigate further. More crap. The beast. Hoi. Alright. Yeah, nobody write my license plate number down, eh? There is booze involved. Oh yeah. Invisible plate. Alright. Let's go see what's happening down here. I'll be right back. Pretty much more of the same over here. She's like right here. Ooh, she's mushy. But over here, that's me over there, and it's flooding here. So it'll, by the morning, this will all be, I'll be covered with water. Oh yeah, I'm not even gonna try and go through this. My 4x4 ain't working. Oh yeah. Definitely not gonna go through that. Mosquitoes, fuck off. Yeah, there you go. Rock and roll. Woo! But I will back up over there. I might make it through here. Yeah, we'll see. We'll give her a shot, eh? Might as well. Alright, let's do it. Let's go. Rock never dies. 97.8 LRR. Liberty Rock Radio. Alright, give her for Blind River. Woo! Look out! Ah, no problem. Nice. There you go. Don't drink and drive, you might spill your beer. I already did that. Look out. Oh, she's just filling right up. Wow. That's only been 5 minutes and it's way down here now. Oh yeah. Won't be able to drive down here tomorrow. Okay, let's slow down. We need a drink. Woo! There you go. Ah, thank God for cup holders. Alright, that's it, bitches. The flood of 17. Woo! Maybe back tomorrow, maybe not. We'll see how wasted I get. And how, you know, how things go. Alright. Okay, now I'm in another Ford, and there's an old Ford junk. And now,
hey, it's a beauty still, man.
Okay. And now we have to go and see if the water has risen. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we're beeping and we're still drinking. No, drinking is good. Look, oh, wow. Okay, yeah. So here you go. This is all the way to past Henson's place. See, I told you when I came down. No, don't keep going. Don't stop. Don't fucking stop, man. Go to the right.
No, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, go to the right. Okay. Okay. Let's reevaluate. Okay, we're gonna stop here. Hold on a second. I told you. Let's reevaluate. Hey, go back the way we came. Don't go around the loop. No, see? Yeah, I told you. That was already water coming up when I came down before. See? Woo! Rock on. The only thing we're missing is some Motorhead playing on the fucking radio. Yeah! Give her for Blind River! Woo! Look out! We're gonna crash. I'm gonna get wet. Look out! Motherfucker.
Oh yeah!
Woo-hoo! Hey, I'm getting wet. Come on now. Relax. I don't need this Nottawasaga River in here. Whoa! Yeah! Woo! Cheers, big ears! Rock the fuck on, bitches! Yeah! Nice. So I'd say the water's still coming up.
Oh, fuck yeah!
Woo! Woo! Hey, go to the right. Go by the mushrooms. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're not wearing seatbelts, so I guess that's like why the beeper thing is going.
I gotta take a piss anyway.
I know. I gotta piss too. Okay, wait. Look out. Look at the room. Okay, stop.
Stopping.
I know. Look.
I
Yeah.
gotta take a piss.
Okay. Enough about that.